Welcome back to Tech Explorer, your go-to spot for the latest and most exciting tech updates. Today, we are diving deep into a brand new performance beast from iQOO, the iQOO Z10 Turbo. With a cutting-edge display, flagship-grade performance, a massive battery, and premium features packed into a sleek body, this smartphone is aiming to shake up the mid-range and upper mid-range segments. So, is the iQOO Z10 Turbo just another powerful phone, or is it a true game-changer? Let's find out in this full breakdown. Starting with the display, and it's a treat for the eyes. The iQOO Z10 Turbo comes with a 6.78-inch LTPS OLED panel, pushing a crisp 1.5K resolution, and supports an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Add HDR10 Plus support into the mix, and you've got an immersive viewing experience perfect for gaming, content consumption, and day-to-day use. Design-wise, the Z10 Turbo doesn't just perform well, it looks the part too. With its boxy yet ergonomic frame, metal middle structure, and ultra-narrow bezels, it delivers a premium in-hand feel. The phone is available in several color options including Star Bend Black, Cloud White, Desert Gold, and Burnt Orange, appealing to both minimalists and bold users. And yes, it's IP66, IP68, and IP69 certified, meaning you get serious dust and water resistance, a rare feat at this price point. Under the hood, the iQOO Z10 Turbo is powered by the brand new MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset, built on a 3nm process. This powerhouse is designed to deliver buttery-smooth performance across the board, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using AI-powered features. With up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, lag is practically non-existent. App loading times are lightning fast, and heavy games like Genshin Impact, PUBG, or COD Mobile run smoothly even on high settings. Moving to the optics, iQOO keeps things clean and focused. The Z10 Turbo houses a dual camera setup featuring a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, ensuring sharp, detailed, and stable shots in both daylight and low light conditions. Accompanying that is a 2MP depth sensor, primarily used for enhancing portrait shots. While it might not have an ultra-wide or macro sensor, iQOO is clearly focusing on improving core image quality, especially with that powerful main sensor. On the front, there's a high-resolution selfie shooter, specs not confirmed yet, and it's housed in a punch hole cutout at the center of the display. Battery life. Absolutely stellar. The iQOO Z10 Turbo packs a massive 7,620 mAh battery, making it one of the largest in the iQOO lineup. This means you can comfortably go over a day and a half on a single charge, even with heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the 90W fast charging ensures you're back to full power in under 45 minutes. That's serious convenience, whether you're gaming, working, or just watching Netflix. On the software side, the Z10 Turbo runs on Android 15, led with iQOO's custom OriginOS 5. The interface is fast, fluid, and rich in customization features. You get a near-stock feel with some useful tweaks, widgets, and AI enhancements, all contributing to a smooth user experience with minimal bloatware. iQOO hasn't skimped on the extras either. You get dual stereo speakers for rich audio, an IR blaster for controlling appliances, and a metal middle frame that adds to both the strength and aesthetics of the device. It's also worth noting that iQOO's Turbo series has always catered to gamers, and this model is expected to include dedicated game boosters, a powerful cooling system, and AI-based frame stabilization for smoother play. So to wrap it up, the iQOO Z10 Turbo is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. You get a stunning OLED display, top-tier performance from the Dimensity 8400 chip, an enormous battery with blazing fast charging, and a clean, durable design backed by serious software support. For users who want flagship-level specs without spending flagship-level money, this could be one of the best picks in 2025. And that's all for today's deep dive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Explorer, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in the world of smartphones and tech. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the iQOO Z10 Turbo? Would you consider it over rivals from Xiaomi, Realme, or OnePlus? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay techy.